Hi friends, it's a balmy 95 degrees outside right now, and I'm trying to make my cabin, which is sitting at 85 degrees, more comfortable for my wife and daughter. They're actually holding off visiting if it's too hot, and I'd like to have them come because it's a lot of fun. I couldn't get the cabin down below 80 degrees last night because it didn't go below 85 outside, no matter how much airflow I got going. So I came up with an idea, and I started looking around to see if there was any odds and ends around the cabin that I could work on to try to make something to get us cooler, and I might have just figured it out. Here's my idea. I had a styrofoam cooler that I got for $2.50 on the way up to the cabin because I had a piece of steak I wanted to keep cool. Then I have a fan, and I attached it to some ductwork, and then it goes out here, and that's all well and good, but I'm off the grid. Aha! Let's see if this works. I have a solar panel there attached to that USB attached to there, and that's spinning, and the idea is it goes through here, and I should feel, yeah, and I can feel air coming out there. Now, that's not going to do anything until I fill that with ice. Now, I don't have any ice left. I guess I could use creek water, but I think I'm going to go into town and fill it with ice and see if it makes any difference. Because if it makes it just a couple of degrees cooler, that's gonna make a big difference. So here's the setup inside the cabin. There is the solar panel right there. Turning the fan, I'm going to have to re-angle it because it's not turning it a lot. And we'll see what happens. It's, oh my goodness. It's 90 degrees in here. Not going to waste the ice. All right. Put this on. Close it up. Now, I don't expect, oh, you're kidding me. Okay, that's actually, okay, that's working. So it's made an appreciable difference. It has only been about a half an hour, but it looks as if it's kind of working. I am absolutely astonished by how well this thing is working. Now, one of the obvious questions is, what the heck am I going to do tonight? Because I'm not going to have the sun. Well, that's where that comes in. That's my battery bank. And I charge that with solar power during the day. And so this is an entirely solar powered system. Obviously, I have to get ice, but it was only like $2.50, so that was kind of cool. And again, I could use cold water if I needed to. But this is a pretty cool little thing.